Hey guys, so we got this 2006 Chevy Cobalt 2.4 manual transmission, and we are changing the driver's side ABS sensor, or other people call it speed sensor. It's right about here. Okay, so your wheel nut is a 19 millimeter, and back here you're gonna have the cable itself, and it goes towards the back, and that's pretty much part of the wheel bearing hub assembly. So alrighty, so what we need to do is replace the wheel bearing hub assembly because it comes with the sensor. Okay, so remove the CV axle nut. I believe it's a 32 if I'm not mistaken. The caliper is a 14. The caliper bracket is a 15. The bolts that are holding on to the wheel hub assembly, those are 15. These two guys on the knuckle are 18, and another 18 holding on to the tie rod. So alrighty, so this is the new wheel bearing hub. The sensor is integrated with it. Take out the old one. As you saw, you don't have to remove the knuckle or the tie rod, so I gave it a go, and it does come out like so. Just get a heavier hammer and it will come out easier. Clean your area, all this aluminum rust, take it out and clean it, put the new one back in, and yeah, so let's do that.